I did something, can you please pick up? You haven't been answering my texts. I'm worried. I just want to know if you're okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey heroes, welcome to the third episode of Becoming a Hero. This one is going to be about our upper body movements for our full body workout. A common mistake that happens when we're doing a seated close grip row is that we end up shrugging up our shoulders, working our upper traps, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but oftentimes we'll feel tension up in our upper traps. And the best way that we can do to alleviate that is to work our middle and lower trap. What we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to keep our chest up as we squeeze our elbows in. We wanna feel the sides of our back as well as the middle of our back. We're gonna start off the upper body portion of our workout. We have the seated narrow grip row. You're going to set in your feet, take hold of the handle, engage your core. Keeping your arms straight, set your torso upright. Start by pulling your shoulder blades back and down. Pull the handles towards your stomach. After that, we have the narrow grip pull down. Adjust the seat so your feet are planted. Adjust the pads so your thighs are locked in place. Pull your shoulders down to engage the lats. Slightly lean back, keeping your elbows in. Pull the handle down into your chest. Control as you let the handle go up. For our pushing movement, the push-up is a classic. So you're gonna lie down on your stomach, pull your shoulder blades back together, set your hands flat next to the bottom of your chest, and engage your core. Straighten your arms, squeeze your chest, and then control your descent on your way back down. This can be a challenging exercise, so there are a number of ways that you can do this. So you can do this as a standing push-up, the knee push-up, or an elevated push-up. Moving on to our second pressing exercise, it's going to be the dumbbell incline press. Pull your shoulder blades back and down, keep your elbows tucked at 45 degrees to your torso. Press the dumbbells up over your shoulder, control the dumbbells down to the starting position. A common mistake that happens when we're doing something like the incline press is reaching our shoulders forward like this. When we're doing something like a pressing movement, we want to try to keep our shoulder blades retracted and depressed so that way we can stabilize the shoulders. If I reach my shoulders forward, you'll notice that I have a whole lot less support back here. So I'm gonna pull everything in, keep my back nice and tight, and focus on really trying to squeeze. It's not about A to B, it's about feeling the muscles work. So we wanna come down, the good stretch, and we wanna press up with a good squeeze. We don't wanna reach up, because I stop feeling my pec here. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, heroes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Coach Mac signing off.